Hi, my name is Jim Bulgarelli. I'm the Waters Customer Education Manager in the Americas. The Customer Education team is responsible for training customers on how best to use the Waters instruments and to provide application-specific support to drive customer success. For the PFAS customer, we've created a PFAS application user training designed to walk the customers step by step through their EPA-specific LC-MS methods using a PFAS application user guide and on-site solution guide. Your Waters application consultant will provide base methods to increase the speed of implementation so the focus can be on actual training concepts, optimization, troubleshooting, and your success. The customer education team is responsible for training customers on how best to use the Waters instruments and to provide application-specific support to drive customer success. The Americas Customer Education team continues to refine and expand the PFAS application user training to include multiple EPA methods that are important locally. We've successfully implemented EPA methods 533, 537, and 1633 in the field. The team can support PFAS analysis on multiple Waters tandem quads under MassLynx, as well as the TQ Absolute under Waters Connect with the MS Quan app. As a former customer of Waters, I felt Waters was a partner in my success. As the manager of the customer education team years later, partnership with the customer to drive their success is the team's guiding principle with every customer interaction.